Who's that at the door? Oh, it's an angel. Told me my future is brighter, and then I'm destined to blow. I ain't have a dollar, can't ask nobody I know, cause I'm a man, not a hoe. I ain't complaining, I gotta get up and go. I gotta get to the door. Jet is my brother, yeah, if you need me, he know. I'm lighting the with us for sure. Bloom like a flower, I can't ride, I can't, I got it,
Alright, what's good, y'all boys? I'm about to give y'all niggas like the ultimate guide. Like the ultimate guide to Bandlab on God. What up? I might give y'all niggas an ultimate guide to have y'all shit sounding crisp. And it's gonna, and of course it ain't like crisp like some studio shit, but like nigga, this the best this shit gonna get on Bandlab. I'm giving this shit to you. I'm giving this shit to y'all, bro. So go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and pre-like the video, cause I'm about to make your whole songs better right now. Let's get into it. So the first thing you wanna do, bro, I ain't gonna lie, if you on Bandlab and you recording off them Apple headphones, bro, you gotta let them joints go. You need to get you some actual headphones, because the headphones gonna make the sound more fuller, so you can actually hear better and you can hear how your mic actually sound. You feel me? So I got these joints. I'm gonna put a little picture on the screen. These joints been like doing wonders for me. I ain't even gonna lie. You feel me? Y'all heard the intro song, like I made it off of these. All the songs I made it off of these. You feel me? Now unfortunately I am about to go to the FL studio, but I'm like, you know, I might as well give these niggas the sauce. Cause if I ain't gonna use it, shit, you might as well use it, you feel me? Hold on, so first, what you wanna do is, make sure you can hear and also make sure you can hear your voice when you rapping, so you can see how good it sounds. Cause some of the beats, if you get them on YouTube, it's like, they not mixed good, so when you like export them and you go on Bandlab, it's kinda like, weird. Like the key be off, or it don't sound as crisp as it should be. So like what I used to do, I used to find like, every time I use somebody's beat and it always sounded good, like my vocals will sound good over it, I'll just subscribe to them so I can always know like, okay, his beat's gonna sound crisp. You feel me? I'm gonna go ahead and find my beat and then I'm gonna catch y'all. Also, I'm gonna put my link to my preset down in the description. I'm gonna give y'all the main, and I'm gonna give y'all the ad-libs, you feel me? So first what you wanna do too is like, when you recording on Bandlab, but do not be quiet, bro. Like I usually have the mic like right here, y'all can see it. But like, and I usually do it like under a cover so it can like block out all the what is it called, block out all like the echoes and all that. But like for the sake of this vid, I ain't even doing that for real, you feel me? So also what you want to do is make sure you speaking up. Like look how it would sound. I forgot to turn my screen record on, but like look how it's gonna sound if I'm mumbling, like not trying to be loud. Like it just sound weak. Like I don't get that. Like it don't sound full. But when you I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Hold on, I'm about to rap some.
They ain't see the rain, the pain, the stormy days. They ain't see the days when I was trying to get through the snow. They ain't see the days when I was losing my mind on the floor. They ain't see the days when I was broke, just trying to get us some more. I say, whoa. Now look when I play it back though.
It's gonna sound full.
They ain't see the rain, the pain, the stormy days. They ain't see the days when I was trying to get through the snow. They ain't see the days when I was losing my mind on the floor. They ain't see the days when I was.
But usually also like, I don't want to talk with auto-tune on, hold up. But usually also like I'm just gonna use the video. But usually also like I don't say it all at once, cause you know your breath start changing the more you rap. So it's like you wanna just say one line, stop, do the next line. So it go like this.
Hold on. They ain't see the rain, the pain, the stormy days. Then you wanna stop? Hold on. They ain't see the rain, the pain, the stormy days. They ain't see the days when I was trying to get through the snow. And then you want a next line. They ain't see the days when I was trying to get through the snow. They ain't see the days when I was losing my mind on the floor. They ain't see the days when I was They ain't see the days when I was losing my mind on the floor. They ain't see the days when I was broke, just trying to get us some more.
You feel me? Now it's gonna sound like, look at the difference though, hold on. Look at the difference.
They ain't see the rain, the pain, the stormy days. They ain't see the days when I was trying to get through the snow. They ain't see the days when I was losing my mind on the floor. They ain't see the days when I was broke just trying to get us some more.
You feel me? But you want to make sure you loud, like you're not like trying to be slow. Like you gotta have that confidence in your voice. You feel me? Like rap like you been here before, nigga. Rap like you made a song before. You feel me? Like don't come on no like you shy, nah, bro. Cause then the music, like niggas gonna hear that when you rap, duh. Nigga. You feel me? Then you wanna like throw them ad-libs in, so it's like, and make sure you turn your ad-libs down. Like I usually have like one down here, then I'll throw it down here, and I always make my vocals higher. But when you make your vocals higher, turn it down when you record, cause then you can hear out like the little popping sounds, cause it's too loud. But make sure your vocals are louder, cause I'm gonna show y'all songs, especially on Bandlab. Like I know on other platforms niggas record on, you probably don't have to turn your vocals up. But on Bandlab, it's like you just gotta turn it up. Or if you're going for this tight sound, like if you make other music, then I don't know. But I always keep my vocals up. That's how I get it sounding more clear. You feel me? Because if you got your vocals down, you can't really, you can mix on Bandlab, but you can't really mix like that. So it's like you just gotta work with what you got. So then you wanna go bust the ad-libs like hold up.
They ain't see the rain, the pain, the stormy days. They ain't see the days when I was trying to get through the snow. They ain't see the days when I was losing my mind on the floor. They ain't see the days when I was broke just trying to get us some more. Yeah, ooh, alright. And then you wanna, that's the hook, right? And y'all see how my voice sound when I'm like this, just talking. You feel me? Cause I ain't really, but when I start getting into that little flow, you feel me? It sound way clearer. That's why you gotta be loud. You feel me? And yeah, hold on. Yeah, I got my auto-tune all the way up here. It don't really matter how high your auto-tune is. It's just about how you use it. So don't turn your auto-tune all the way up. Can you see how it's making me sound like a robot? You feel me? But when it's like this, it sound regular. You just gotta know how to use it. So don't turn it all the way up if you're not gonna be singing, cause then you're gonna sound like, nigga, then you're gonna sound like a robot. You're gonna be, I'm a robot, I get that bread. But yeah, like, hold on, I'm gonna keep going. I see the days when I was broke just trying to get us some more. I say, whoa, 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 hold on, boom, 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 who's that at the door? Oh, it's an angel, tell me my future. Whoa, 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 hold on, boom, 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 who's that at the door? Oh, it's an angel, tell me my future is brighter, and then I'm destined to blow. I ain't have $1, can't ask nobody I know, cause I'm a man, not a hoe. I ain't complaining, I gotta get up and go, I gotta get to the door. Jet is my brother, yeah, if he need me, he know. I'm lighting the way, that's for sure. Bloom like a flower, I can't ride, I can't, I gotta, you feel me?
But yeah, and then you want to make sure, like, that's why I did that, just because I knew I was gonna mess up. You feel me? So what you want to do right here is like, it's gonna be harder to, like, if you fuck up, it's gonna be hard to like cut it out, because you gotta zoom all the way in, you gotta keep listening. But if you saying it like one line at a time, then you'll be able to tell, like, okay, I didn't just take this one out. But see, it's just whole long ass piece, so it's like, damn, I gotta go find it. And you're gonna end up just doing extra work in the long run. You feel me? But hold on, let me listen to this John though. I might as well do my ad-libs while I listen.
Boom, boom, who's that at the door?
Hold on.
Some more. I say, whoa, 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 hold on, boom, 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 who's that at the door? Oh, it's an angel, told me my future is brighter, and then I'm destined to blow. I ain't have $1, can't ask nobody I know, cause I'm a man, not a hoe. I ain't complaining, I gotta get up and go, I gotta get to the door. Jet is my brother, yeah, if he need me, he know. I'm lighting the way, that's for sure. Bloom like a flower, I can't ride, I can't, I gotta,
You feel me? So yeah, I fucked up right here, so hold on.
I can't ride, I can't grow, I gotta, I can't, like a flower, I can't ride, wait, what I say? Bloom like a flower, I can't ride, okay. Bloom like a flower, I can't ride, I can't go, I gotta grow. She like my music and I'm go, I gotta grow. She like my music and I'm surprised, cause my so-called friends don't let me know
Yeah, don't do them long takes unless you got it written down. But I don't even advise you to write, because when you write, unless you know what you're doing when you write, but like, just a tip, so if you write, don't like read it when you write, you feel me? Because now you're gonna be, it's like you reading in English class and you going along with it like you don't know what it say. At least when you write, memorize the line and then go on and beat with it. Because when you reading off of it, don't be like, Jay is my brother, he ever need me, he know I'm lighting the way, that, like, you're gonna be off with it. You feel me? So you wanna, like, if you write, but rap like you been here before. Rap like you been here before, nigga.
Go, I gotta grow.
So then,
ride, I can't go, I gotta grow. She like my music and I'm surprised, cause my so-called friends don't let me know. Swear you get more called friends don't let me know. Swear you get more support from ones you never knew than ones you know. Oh, oh, than ones you know. Oh, oh. Put an angel on my chain, protected by angels, and that's on my soul. Buy the outfit, cause I don't fit in, don't understand me, that's on my soul. I see a door, but I can't get in, it's a control. I ain't got no control, I ain't got a flow. No, it's a bullshit.
But yeah, I really just gave y'all most of the sauce. You feel me? Cause a lot of people, it's not, bro. It's not presets, bro. The presets on Bandlab ain't even that like right for you to be. The preset gonna make you sound totally different. Nah, bro. It's really you. You feel me? So you gotta be louder. Like you. It's always you. You gotta be louder. You feel me? And then I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm about to just.
I can't go, I gotta grow. She like my music and I'm surprised, cause my so-called friends don't let me know. Swear you get more support from ones you never knew than ones you know. Oh, oh. Put an angel on my chain, protected by angels, and that's on my soul. Buy the outfit, cause I don't fit in, don't understand me, that's on my soul. I see a door, but I can't get in, it's a control. I ain't got no control. You feel me? So, hey.
I'm just show y'all. So this also what you can do. Like once you got it, you wanna like, that's why you need some headphones so you can actually hear it. You feel me? So then you can start, after you turn it up, I usually just turn it up like about this much. And then that's when you can start turning it down if it actually do sound too loud. You can actually kind of mix it a little bit. But don't ever have your ad-libs too high though. You feel me? Like, hold on.
They ain't see the rain, the pain, the stormy days. They ain't see the days when I was trying to get through the snow. They ain't see the days when I was losing my mind on the floor. They ain't see the days when I was broke just trying to get us some more. I say whoa, 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 hold on, boom, 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 who's that at the door? Oh, it's an angel, told me my future is brighter, and then I'm destined to blow. I ain't have a dollar, can't ask nobody I know, cause I'm a man out of hole. I ain't complaining, I gotta get up and go, I gotta get to the door. Jet is my brother, yeah, if you need me, he know I'm lighting the way, that's for sure. Bloom like a flower, I can't ride, I can't go, I gotta grow. She like my music and I'm surprised, cause my so-called friends don't let me know. Swear you get more support from ones you never knew than ones you know. Oh, oh. Put an angel on my chain, protected by angels, and that's on my soul. Buy the outfit, cause I don't fit in, don't understand me, that's on my soul. I see a door, but I can't get in, it's a control. I ain't got no control.
Alright. So, and I already recorded this song, you feel me? I just redid it, just for the vid, you feel me? So, after this, you wanna always make sure, hold on. You want to always make sure you go into your master and you want to edit the master, and make sure you, for these type songs I always use clarity, but I never use fire or tape. Y'all can do it for yourself and see what it's gonna sound like. It's gonna like put hella bass on it and make it just sound nasty. That junk gonna sound nasty. But usually I use clarity, but you can use universal as well. But then once you use that, like that's really it. And then I guess I'm gonna show y'all some shit off screen. Like I'm gonna show y'all this app, but you gotta have a laptop for it. But it's just gonna really clear it up and make it kind of give it that little final touch. Like this already smooth enough, but this other junk I'm gonna show y'all gonna really give y'all that final touch. Alright y'all, but so this is basically the app I was talking about. It's junk called Audacity. You just download it on your computer, and what you want to do is just say, okay, you import your file. Import your song. Hold up, let me find my song. Okay, you got your song, right? It's gonna look like this. You ain't got it, like it's so easy. You ain't gotta touch nothing. You go to file, then you want to export your audio. Make sure it's in the quality is 320 kbps. It may look different on yours, cause on my old computer that junk look different. But hold up, you feel me? But yeah, then you just export it. You just, well, I already got one, but it's just gonna replace it. But you just export it, it's gonna load up, and you're gonna be done. Like it's that simple. Then you can just send it to yourself on Google Drive, and it's a wrap. You feel me? Let me make sure I ain't missing nothing. I think I gave y'all niggas all the tips, like for sure. Like this literally all you need. Like it's this simple. I ain't gonna say what all the other niggas saying on their vid, but this is the most simple way. You feel me? Just make sure you speaking up. Make sure your voice have confidence. If y'all want a video, if y'all want a video of how to like not right, but punch in. I got that for y'all. You feel me? If you want to learn how to punch in and how I like use mine, but what the fuck am I saying? You want to know how like I use my creative process to find my next line or what I want to say next? Y'all want that in the vid? You feel me? I give y'all that for real. You feel me? Or like if you just want to learn like how to rap, or just ask some questions down below in the comments. I'll probably make a video on it. You feel me? But yeah, this is really it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from this video. Go on Bandlab right now. Try it out, bro. This shit easy. You feel me? And I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put this song in the outro. I'm about to play this in the outro right now, so y'all can kind of see what it sound like. I appreciate y'all though. I'm gone.
And I'm like, oh, that's a bet. Put in that work and that's a check. If I don't stop, then I can't lose. If you still sleep, that's on you. On beats, I preach. This shit like school. Money coming in, get it by the two. And they don't even know this shit already happened. I'm just waiting in the queue.